In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fully remove or uninstall an application or program here in macOS. For most users, what they do when they want to uninstall or remove a program is they come here to the Finder, they select Applications, and then they locate the application or program they want to remove. So for example, if we want to remove Genymotion, most users will just click and drag it to the trash, and that does work. It does remove the functioning application off of your computer. However, sometimes when you use these steps, it can leave behind traces or garbage on your computer. And so I'm going to walk you through some simple steps you can use to do a full clean removal of any program or application on macOS. So for example, let's say we want to remove NordVPN. What we're going to do is come up here to the search in the top right, and I'm just going to type in NordVPN, and then we just want to make sure we have this Mac selected. And then we're going to come over here to the right and click on this plus sign. And then on this drop down, make sure we have name and then matches. And we're going to type in NordVPN. And you'll type in the name of the application you are removing. And then after you click Enter or Return, just click on the plus sign. And then for this second drop-down menu, we want System Files. And most of you will not have System Files listed here. So what you'll need to do first is click on Other. And then from the search, just type in System Files. Just add a check to the box and click OK. If we return to the drop-down menu, you will now have System Files to select, and change this to Are Included, and you can see that it's now listing everything. Now, before you delete anything, you just want to go through each thing listed and just verify and confirm that it is related to the application or program you are uninstalling, and the most recent version of Macs. It will list the location down here below. And then once you have confirmed or verified that everything here needs to be deleted, we're just going to click and drag to select everything, and then we're going to click and hold, and drag to the trash, and then we're going to click on the trash to open it, and we're just going to go ahead and click on Empty. And then empty again. And then after you've done all those steps, it's usually advised to come up here to the top left, click on the Apple icon, and go ahead and restart the computer. One quick thing I do want to note. If you're using an older version of macOS and you come to this search option and you type in the name of the application you're looking for, but you do not see these little plus options, what you'll want to do instead is come up here and click on Computer. And then from here, do the search. Type in the name of the application or program, and you should have those plus options. Again, this generally happens if you're on an older version of macOS, but that's everything for this video. Just some quick, simple, easy steps you can do to do a full clean, uninstall or removal of any program or application here in macOS. Deleting apps is a pretty tiresome task. So we've found a way to do it more quickly and easily. Clean My Mac. Its uninstaller tool helps get rid of multiple apps at once. Here's what you need to do. Get your free Clean My Mac trial. Go to Applications and run a scan. Click. Manage My Applications greater than Uninstaller. Select the checkboxes next to the apps you want to remove and click Uninstall. As you can see, Clean My Mac shows precisely how much space each app takes, so it's easier to detect the heaviest programs. And you can skip all of the manual steps.